Unsafe acts and conditions. People are most important assets in any organization. The health and safety of individuals not only affects the quality of life while at work, but also the lives and the standard of living of the family and community. There is, thus, a need to safeguard the health and safety of the individual in respect of possible exposure to any occupational hazards. Unsafe conditions. A study attributes 20% of all injuries on duty to unsafe working conditions. They are all relate to physical or mechanical defects which can be corrected relatively cheaply and permanently. It is always the first area to be tackled when working on an accident or incident reduction program. Some examples of unsafe conditions are poor guarding, inadequate or inefficient, defective conditions, hand tools, equipment, and substances, poor layout, the workflow or overcrowding and congestion, substandard housekeeping, a place where everything in its place always, waste bins, aisles, storage, signs and notices. Loud noise. Can't hear instruction because of the loud noise. So inadequate illumination or ventilation, you can't see clearly or breathe properly. So this is the fire point obstructed and a drain cover not replaced. These are the example. So unsafe acts. 80% of all injuries on duty are the result of unsafe acts by people. More difficult to reduce as they revolve around people and what they do. Will never be entirely cured by training or motivation. How about the person who has a dizzy spell and collapses into unguarded drive sprockets? Some examples of unsafe acts are speed, because of operating in a machine at a speed is not designed to run at. So next, working without authority, entering a confined space before it has been declared safe. So you will work in a place that without authority, so it can cause unsafe acts. So adjusting moving machinery, lubricating bearings or changing the drive belts while the machine is still running. Change staking, so running in front of a forklift. PPE not worn, so you will not wear PPE, proper protective equipment, personal protective equipment. I mean, not wearing safety goggles when grinding. So this is the unsafe acts. Workers standing on a ladder in a swimming pool while operating an electric drill. So in conclusion, the most effective way to protect the people who work for a company is by reducing the work-related accidents. The first area to talk at should be the elimination of all unsafe conditions in the factory. Regular audits need to be conducted to identify the unsafe condition and repairs, prioritized and then implemented. This will show the employees that the company is serious about their well-being while they are at work. Unsafe acts account for approximately 80% of all industry's accidents. This is always dealt with after unsafe conditions as planning to train the employees on how to act safely is necessary. However, this is not the end as people all make mistakes and accidents will continue to occur. Thus, the full health and safety program is ongoing with one continuous improvement taking place. So that's all. Thank you.